So it's bucketing down. I'm just headed off under the bridge here to hand out some bread and jam and some sweet treats to our homeless friends, and just check up on them, see how they're doing. It's always worse for them during this type of weather, so I just want to make sure that they're alright, see if they need anything. Weather, yeah, it's still pouring with rain here. Just gonna head down now. Hopefully they're all okay. So we've got a few of our homeless friends living here under the Vaal Bridge in Deep River. And you can see here is where they collect all their recycling that'll be collected. So we're just going to head in and see if everyone is doing okay, which I'm sure they are. Morning guys, mornings. So yeah, that's basically it.